Hi, welcome to the channel. This is Ford Mondeo 2008. Basically, there is a nice story behind this car. Basically, customer went to the garage, they diagnosed the power steering pump problem, then they changed the pump, still noise there. Then after that, they changed another pump, then still problem there. I'll show you what I mean. I'm going to open the bonnet. Yeah, now you all can see nice and shiny power steering pump. Yeah, Dilan, can you turn the wheel left and right, please? Yeah, you can hear the winding noise. Turn other way around. Yeah, again other way around. Right. That's a problem. Thank you. That's a problem at the moment this vehicle has. Basically, they changed two pumps. Still same problem after that garage. Yeah. Anyway, came to me. I'm going to do small checking. First of all, I'm going to open this reservoir. Yeah, I can see the oil rotated nicely. Yeah, Dylan, would you mind turn again, please? Yeah, you can hear nicely now sound. Yeah, okay, let go. Right, switch off. Okay, right. Next step, I'm going to remove the this bottle and have a look what's going on there. Yeah, next step, I'm going to remove the bottle. Now, many people call me Charlie, and some people call me Sanu. I'll show you who's Sanu. She's the one, the Sanu, basically. Many people call me Sanu. I have this problem, that problem. I don't mind if you call me Sanu, but however, actually, I'm going to show you. She's the one, Sanuli. Say hello. Yeah, she's the one, Sanuli, because school holidays, she came to help me, not help basically. She came and mix up everything upside down anyway. Right, okay, let's go to the job. Then once I remove this bottle, I'll come back to you. There's a filter inside. Sometime this filter can be blocked. Yeah, we'll see. I'm going to use the brake cleaner. See, it's tiny thingy come out from the outlet. Could be this one, not enough for the, see the junk stuff. Yeah, I feeling this filter blocked. Oh, you know the school holiday means really problem. Yeah. Right. She's still 9. Yeah, see. Mom go to the work. Additional work for me. Okay then. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. Now you can see it's coming out. Yeah, you can see it's pouring now. Not like a early. Yeah. Right. All nice and clean, but this is the temporary solution. But I'm just going to try is going to work or not. If it works, definitely I'll ask customer to do the bottle quickly. reservoir basically. I'm came to the end of this video. You also inside I'll break the filter. You can see here, no filter inside. See, nothing. Yeah. Then after that, I install two pipe. Then run the pump. All fluid come out from here because of too much pressure. Then after that, I try to use my gloves and close the cap and start the car and spin the wheel left to right, but it's still making the noise. Then after that, this my method not going to be work. I realized that after that, however, I order the new two bottles. I already fixed the one bottle to the car. This is the new bottle. Yeah, you can see here, you can see there is a one filter here. You can see here, this is the one filter, and after that there is a another filter inside the bottle. You can see here inside two filters basically this bottle. However, once I removed, I can't see filter here. This one disappeared and I found in a tube. Then I took it out, and inside one I already break. However, once I install this new bottle, all problem sort out. After that, pump worked nicely, everything went as should be. Yeah, now we have a good answer. Previous garage done the diagnostic wrong and changed twice, pump not work. However, after that I little bit mix up from this one. I break the filter and try, it's not going to be work. Then after that I order the new bottle and fix, all done. Yeah, thanks for watching. If you have any question, comment, suggestion, please mention below. I'll come back to you. And also any Ford vehicle, if your vehicle has a like this bottle, your pump noisy, just change this bottle, then you will be fine. No need to change the pump, because this bottle going to be cost around 30 pound, not expensive. Try, because the customer spend like a 400 something for the pump. Again they change labor, time, and even the customer can't use the car. Yeah, that's why I need to identify the problem first accurately, then do the repair. You will be fine. Thanks for watching. Also, if you need to join our WhatsApp group, please text 075510211029, join in, then I will add you to our WhatsApp group. Thank you. See you in the next video.